Here we. Hey babe, by the time you read this you are 22, and someone has already told you your anger is the problem. Calm down, smile, let it go. Be the bigger person, control yourself. But Ibu Bekchi, I want to tell you what I learned slowly, painfully, about what anger actually is, what it carries, what it is trying to say. It is not weakness, it is not chaos, it is not something to perform, to look powerful. It is not something to swallow until it detonates on the wrong person at the wrong time. Anger is information. Every time it rises in your chest, it is pointing at something, saying something here is wrong, something here is unjust, something here does not align with what you know about your own dignity. That is not a small thing. That is your body doing its job. I carried it for most of my life, on top of it, beneath it, inside it. I ignored it, I fed on it, I was afraid of it. Let it sit in me like something I could not name and could not release. And the silence around that anger taught me nothing, absolutely nothing. It did not protect me, it did not make me stronger. It just let the anger sit there until it came out in the wrong direction, at the wrong people, at the wrong time. Hatred wants destruction, anger wants change. Hatred has no interest in the future. Anger sees the distortion and wants it corrected. Hold that difference in your body. Anger is information. Every time it rises in your chest, it is pointing at something, saying something here is wrong, something here is unjust, something here does not align with what you know about your own dignity. That is not a small thing. That is your body doing its job. To see and not share kills the elder. To hear and not listen kills the child. I am the elder in this letter, this is me sharing. You are the young man, and your survival, not just physical, the survival of your clarity, your direction, your full self, depends on your willingness to actually listen. Your anger is not weakness. Your anger is not chaos. Your anger is loaded with information and energy. Learn what it is telling you, aim it carefully. Use it in the service of what you are building. That is the use of anger. Ebubichi, from Namdi, who is still learning.